What's up guys? In this video, we are going to make UV resin cloud keychain charm. You will need UV resin, nail polish, glitters, light air dry clay, scissors, charms mold, silicone cups, mixing tools, and a UV lamp. Let's start with adding UV resin into the mold to do the first layer. Then use toothpick or any tools to cover the mold with UV resin. Once you think it has nicely covered the mold, put it under the UV light or just put them under the sun for about 20 minutes. Look, it's cured! Now here's the fun part, where we will be making the clouds with light air dry clay. We are going to use white color to make the cloud. You can go with any color you like. A pink unicorn cloud or a rainbow cloud. Your only limit is your creativity. Now that we have made ourselves some clouds, it is time to put it into the mold. Add small amount of UV resin. Put the clouds in and let it cure under the UV light. We are going to brighten up the piece with some glitters. Add small amount of UV resin and arrange the glitters accordingly. We are going to do some color mixing for the charm's base color. Add UV resin in 2 separate mixing cups. We are using blue and pink. Once it is stirred well, add the colors in and let it cure under the UV light again. Trim the edge with scissors. Use fine grit sandpaper if you want it to be smoother. Put on the split ring using pliers, then the ball chain. It's cute! Let us know what you think of the cloud charms idea. Share with us your creative ideas in the comment section below. Happy crafting! Please give the video a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye!